Welcome, here I've got Vivo V21 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the second position we have location option with short info that this can show location info in photo and video details. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, and here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we need to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so these two parameters are important to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.